Hello, welcome back to Womiba Finance channel. If today is your first day of coming to this channel, my name is Soninye, and today I'll be telling you about housekeeping job because there are many things. It is a pathway for your own PR, that's permanent resident permit, for you to stay in the country, in Canada, and live. So whatever it is, the amount per hour I'm seeing online since yesterday night is from 18 pound, 18, oh God, I'm thinking of pounds. Okay, 18 Canadian dollars till 28 Canadian dollars. I've even seen 30 Canadian dollars per hour. So if you check that per hour, I don't know how much it will give you. I don't know how much it will give you, for 40 hours a week. So we can check it. We can check it later on the show so that you can see how much you earn a week. So, or you can multiply it. 18, let's use the minimum, 18 Canadian dollars per hour times 40. So how much it gives you, I think 400, I think we'll be talking about 720 or thereabout. I'm not sure. Either 400 plus another 400. Yeah, we'll be talking about 420. No, we'll be talking about 720 Canadian dollars per week. So if you're going to be paid $18 Canadian dollars, it will be, I think, 720 Canadian dollars per week if you're doing 40 hours. So it depends on whether they will pay you more on weekend. Then there will be another money coming to you, because if they are paying, if you are working on weekend for them, then it is more money. So if this money is okay for you, that 720 Canadian dollars is okay for you a week, and you are available with your WIEC certificate to apply for this job, stay with me and I will be right back to tell you everything that you need to know and how we will apply for the job. So because all of us will go and see the job by the agencies, from the agencies I'll be telling you about. So we'll see the job together. So stay right with me and we'll be back. Okay, guys, we are back. I have 4 agencies I know that have thousands of housekeeping jobs that the pathway they just announced, because they have given free way for housekeepers. So number 1 is workopolice.com. So we will go there and ask, okay, let's just ask housekeepers with visa sponsorship. We'll go straight to them because I know that because they have a lot of jobs. So look at it here, and we will apply. Okay, we are talking of Toronto, Ontario. Let's see how much this job is. It's room attendant. So let's see how much they will pay you. I don't know whether this thing is clear. Okay, let me see. Okay, is it clear now? I'm so sorry. Okay, because on my screen, sorry about this, on my screen have UV because of my eyes. I'm battling a lot of things with my eyes, having done 3 surgeries this year, so I'm not taking any chances. So my screens have block, screen blocks, so to help me with my eyes. So now let's say housekeepers. Cat job full-time with visa sponsorship. Okay, yes, we have here. Okay, let's check. You see, a monthly monthly a monthly rental this is a monthly rental hotel style property. Numbers, we are looking for responsible, detail oriented cleaning professional, blah blah blah, certification with their stay. We are located at this and that and that and that. I think this is direct, and this is 25 per hour, and this 4-hour shift, 8-hour shift scheduled. So I think this is fine. Monday to Friday, on call, weekends as needed. So, or I think this is fine. Day shift Monday to Friday, and weekends as needed. Like I told you before, if you're working on weekend, this amount will be more. If you're working on weekend, it will be more than this 25 per hour. You see, I was talking about 18 Canadian dollars, but these people are paying 25 per hour. So you can apply here. If you click here, it will take you to a page where you will apply. So you put all the information, everything that's, is required of you and all that in here. So that is it. It's simple and straightforward. This is number one. And let's go to jobble.ca. So that's the second one. So let me put here housekeeper job with almost all the time puts with visa sponsorship, because you are not in the country, so they need to sponsor you. You understand? So it must come with visa sponsorship. If it is not coming with visa sponsorship, don't, like, this is urgent now, they need you. I think if you apply for these ones now, within 2 weeks, you might be in Canada if you are successful with the this one is now, you see, there are many jobs coming in like few hours ago. So there are many jobs coming in few hours ago. So you can see there's a lot of job. I don't want to make this video, it's becoming big, long. So there's, yes. I don't want to subscribe. So there is 190 jobs available, visa sponsorship jobs. This is not Canada. We are talking of Canada here. So this one is Ottawa. This one is Ottawa as well. This is Mates, and this is Ottawa as well. All of them, you can see it has this green sign, visa sponsorship, and it's permanent. This is visa sponsorship. This is not permanent. Don't apply for this temporal. Anyone you see temporal, don't, even if it comes with visa sponsorship, don't apply. That's a reason. Because as somebody that is going to a new country, you need something that is permanent to be able to pay your bills. Then you can apply for this one. No, this one is USA. No. We are looking for Canada, not USA. So I don't want to search in a particular area in Canada. I want them to bring everything that they will have here. But let's okay, this one is Toronto. This is Toronto. It comes with visa sponsorship as, oh no, this one is financial products. It's not housekeeping. It's not housekeeping role. Let's personalize it a bit. Housekeeping jobs with visa sponsorship in Canada. Oh, in Canada. So whenever you go to this website, there are many things even in order. So, but let's personalize this. Okay, it has come now. So I have personalized it. So they are suggesting for some, but the ones they are suggesting, okay, look at this one. This one is said housekeeping needed in PAs, Abata. Okay, this one is 45 Canadian dollars. Homeowner sick housekeeping needed in PAs, Alberta. Homeowner sick. Okay, this one, what it means is this: when they employ you, the person that that is advertising for this job will be the one interviewing you. So it's just given to age, and it's 9 days ago. You can apply, and this one is made, so I don't know how much they are paying. Okay, this one is USA. No, we are looking for Canada. It's Canada we are looking for. Okay, we've seen. Okay, this one is paying 16.5 per hour. Now it's so low. It's so low. This one is paying 18 pounds per hour. Let's check whether they have okay, this one is employing you. This one is skip. Homeowner, washing windows, doing dishes, oven. Okay, look at the kind of thing. This one is in the house, somebody's personal home. It's not like a company or the other one we saw. This one is a personal home. If you go, this person will be employee, you'll be working in their house. Like, look at what she said, or he or she said here. The job involves a variety of tasks, from cleaning, I hope you're seeing, from cleaning the bathrooms, shampooing the carpets, washing windows, and all that. I am seeking an individual or a team of individuals who can work with me to keep my home in pristine condition. You see, my home, to keep my home. So this is somebody's private residence. So you will be working like the general house cleaning. Like I said before, it is sometimes these jobs are for companies, housekeeping companies, like people that have home away, or people that have some hotels or businesses. But some jobs like this comes that you'll be living with people and working as their housekeeper. Maybe they have a mansion they are living in, then they will employ you, bring you over, then you live with them. I would say the ones that would want you to live with them, if you're coming with family, you have to be careful with those ones. You have to be careful with those ones, because they might not want you to come with your husband or your wife inside their home with children. So these are the things you need to check. So you can see this thing. We have talked about worker police, Jobu, Indeed. So these three agencies, have housekeeping jobs for homeowners and for companies. So it's not hard to apply. It's not hard to apply. You just click and you apply. So it's not something that you require another person to do for you. If we go to job bank. So hello, welcome back. And as you can see, you've seen the jobs that, the housekeeping jobs and how to apply. And you need the basic things, your O level, your WAEC. You don't need Lima, you don't need IELTS if they are the one bringing you. You need your passport, of course, and you need your criminal record. If you're from Nigeria, we get our criminal record from MPF. You can walk into any police station and ask them how you need to go about it. And your travel insurance, that's it. And you are ready to go. So this is where I will be ending this video. And please subscribe, share in your social media platform. Tell your family members, your parents, maybe your mom, your father, your siblings, your colleagues, your associates. Tell everybody about this Womiba Finance channel. And I will see you in the next video. Stay fine. Bye-bye.